Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be like coding my app from scratch using Base 44 and such. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder and all of that. It's raining very, very heavily here, but then definitely have to stream. Um, I'm still going to explain all these processes I'm talking about because Sod just went live. So yeah, all right. Yeah, stream started. Okay. So yeah, welcome back once again, guys. Um, this is Rila here, and I'm the founder of Air Labs, short for AI Reader by Rila. And my app is basically a discovery app that shows analysis of AI projects with high signal innovations across the AI ecosystem. And my app is going to act as a real-time filter for cutting-edge tools, emerging startups, and people that want to experiment with their projects. So this is going to be fun actually, because I'm building my app from scratch. Yeah, that's what we are going to be doing live together right now. I just want to be sure everything is going quite well. Yeah. Give me a minute, please. All right. So before we start vibe coding, I would like to talk to you guys a bit about Surge. Yeah, let's talk about Surge for a bit. Then we move to vibe coding using Base 44. We are already but let's talk about Surge for a bit. So basically, Surge is a platform where people building AI projects like me can showcase what I am working on. But not just that, I can also stream my process live while at it. And that's basically what I'm doing now. As you can see, I'm on such platform and I'm streaming right here on YouTube. But then if you come back to my search profile, you can see that it shows I'm live streaming. So basically, devs can stream how they are building their project live on such. I think that connects the community, the founder, and in turn, the community is going to be very, very active. So, like, instead of seeing just a finished product, you can actually see how things are built. On such, you can see updates, progress, ideas, everything happening in real time. And I think that's what makes such different because normally you just hear about project after they've already blown up, but on Surge you can see them early. For example, let's go to the discovery. You can see different AI projects building. We have live products already, so devs of each of these projects can decide to just like go live on Surge and build their product. But most of the products here, they're already live products. Live products. We have Magic, we have Striker, we have Star, we have Kraken. We have so many projects here. But right now, you guys are going to vibe code my app with me. Yeah. So let's go back to my app. To my project. Sorry. And I need to tell you guys a bit about my project before we actually go into it. Give me a minute, please. Yeah. So yeah. Now let me tell you a bit about my project before we actually go into building it, into like by coding an app for it. And I want you guys to have a feel of the whole process, because when I'm finally done, every one of you can have a feel of how we started by coding the app to making it a live product. So yeah, let's get it done, guys. I'm going to be talking to you about my projects for a bit, then we go straight to vibe coding. So like, just imagine, guys, imagine having a single app where you can actually like stay ahead of the AI curve. I mean, a hub that basically just highlights the tools, startups, experiments that are actually shaping the future of AI. Yeah, that's exactly what my project is all about. That's exactly what I'm trying to be here. My app is going to be created for variety of people. I mean, builders, creators, enthusiasts who wants high signal insights without the noise. That's basically what my app is all about. You guys understand? So this is going to be fun actually, because um I'm very optimistic about this. So yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. For building my app, I'm going to be using Base 44. Yeah, I'm going to be using Base 44. And the first thing I would want to do is to give it my prompts. Um, I think I need to show you guys my demo site so that we know what we are working on. I need to show you guys my demo site, please. Sorry, I need to get that on the screen as well right now. Just give me a minute. Um, I need to show you guys the site. Um, um, sorry. Yeah, I need to show you guys the site, demo site that I built for my project, so that we can have an idea what exactly we want to build. So I used Netlify for that. So let's just create a new tab here. Yeah. I think the site is buggy. I'll be showing you guys that later. So, but let's just get into streaming. Into vibe coding the app. Sorry. So the first thing I want to do is to have an app that focuses on an AI model type of background. I mean, like when the user clicks analyze, it sends the input to the AI, and the AI generates a structured response using a defined format. And I think I want the tone to be smart, slightly blunt, no hype. And I also want it to sound like an experienced startup founder. Yep. But then let's go with the basics. I would say, I don't know if you guys know about Base 44, but this is basically what I use in building my apps. Yeah, I enjoy using Base 44. Cloud. I enjoy using Cloud as well, actually, but let's go with Base 44 right now. Let's go with Base 44. Um, so the first thing I would want to like tell Base 44 is to build me a clean, modern web app called, yeah, the name of my project is Air Labs, called Air Labs. Yeah, and I can't just basically say, oh, build me a clean modern web app called Air Labs. It's going to just show me some different kind of templates, so I need to be defined about what I want. So I'm basically going to tell it every single thing I want it to do. I'm going to tell every single thing I want it to do. So build me a clean modern web app called Air Labs. And I want the core features. Okay, let me just say these are the core features that I want. Or let me just say core features, because with Base 44 you definitely need to define what you want very clearly if you want to get your desired. So the core features, I would say input field where users input field where user enters an AI project name or description. So the first core features I want is when a user logs into my app, I want a field where the user can basically just search up any AI project they are looking for. Yeah, that's basically like the first thing I would want in my app if it is going to satisfy the things I want it to do. Yeah, and also the second feature I would give is let's say, okay, well, basically after someone inputs the project name, there should be this enter, or probably, since this is my AI project, is an AI project, I would say an analyze button. So let's say I would want to put a button labeled let's say analyze. Yeah, that is true. Yep. So that's the second feature I'm giving my app. And I need a third feature as well, because after you type in AI projects you are searching, you want to like research about, and you click on analyze, the next thing it does is a results section. It's going to give you a list of projects that fits your description. So I would want to say a result section. Yep, I would want a result section. Result section. Yeah. So basically, these are the first things that I need to tell Base44 about my app. Because basically, if I just click on enter here right now, it's going to give me a template that I would love for my app. But now this is not enough for me. I like to be very detailed. I like to be direct. I like to make things clear. So when I get my first results, I'm going to probably love it. I'm sure I would. But I'm not going to stop here. I also still need to define the things I want clearly. Yeah, I need to define the things I want clearly. So let's say after the results section pops up, I want the results to be structured very clearly with headings. I want the results to be structured clearly with headings about like what the project does, the target audience the project is aiming at, the monetization of the project. I want the unique angle for each of the projects, the risks involved when you like interact with the project, and I want a rating template as well for each of the project. I mean, that gives every user trying out the app a glimpse into the top project on in the AI ecosystem and the bad project in the AI ecosystem. So yeah, let's prompt that. So these are the core features I want. So the next thing we are going to do is yeah, what I just finished saying, when results are, oh wait, I think I made a mistake here. When results when results are displayed, structure them clearly, structure them clearly, structure them clearly. Oh, I think I structure them clearly with headings. With headings. Now, this is the first thing I want after someone searches a project on my app. It's going to bring out the project with a clear heading that matches what the user searched. And after that, the preliminary things I want below the heading of the project or beside the heading of the project that shows the things the project is all about is what it does. So let me see. One, show, okay, show one what project does. Two, show targets users. Yeah, I mean, like, if you have a project you are searching for, you need to know who their main users are. That's basically what my app is all about. Any project you are looking for, just come to my app. Shows you every single detail you need to know about the AI project. So we need to define every single thing very clearly, very clearly. So we already said it should show what the project does. That's like a simple info about what the project is all about. It should show the target audience. And what else can we add? Should we say monetization? Maybe like the amount of money they waste. Do you think that's a good thing? I think so. So let's add monetization. Monetization. Let's add monetization. Yeah. What else can we add? Let's see a unique angle to the project. I mean, I want my app to also suggest a unique feature or a unique reason why people should believe or trust in the project. So yeah, let's say I need show unique angles. And what else? Yeah, the risk as well. The risk. I mean, we can't show the unique angle for a particular project and not show the risk, because for things that have good sides, there might be bad sides. So I need to make sure that shows users of my app the risks accompanied with each of the projects. That is, if there are any risks at all. Then come in please. Just need to, okay. Yeah, the risks. What else? Yeah, I talked about rating. So I need, let me just make sure this is well written. Just make sure it is well written. So risk, and I needed, no, I talked about rating, a rating out of 10. That shows the best project and it shows us the bad projects as well. Yeah, so that is it. And how about the design style? Do I want it so clumsy, so clunky, or I need it easy to read, well spaced, or something like that? I think I need to define that. Yeah, I'm going to define that. So let's talk about the design style. Let's see the design style. I'll give it a design style. The design style, I need it to be minimal. I need it to minimal. I'm a Gen Z, so I'll give it a modern SaaS look. Modern SaaS look, or modern SaaS look. Modern SaaS look. The wordings as well. I need good spacings. Yeah, I need good spacings with my app, and I need it to be easy to read. That's very important. That's very important. I can't have an app looking so clunky and all packed up. That is very bad. That is very bad. But yeah, one thing I might be forgetting, I need to make sure to include, I need to include a loading site when each button is clicked. That gives it a feel that, oh, you're actually in an app. Yeah, make sure to include a loading um loading feature, no, a loading state when button is clicked. Yeah, as you can see guys, I think I might be done with my first prompts. So I'm basically going to like run this and see what it gives me. So let's just go over the prompt again. I said build me a clean modern web app called Air Labs. The core features: I need the input field where users enters an AI project name or description. I need a button labeled analyze. I also need a results section. I mean, when people search something, it shows results. So I need a results section as well. And also, when the results are displayed, I need them to be structured clearly with very well written headings. I need the project. I need the app to show what the project does. I mean, what the project is all about. Show the target users for the project, the monetization, like the amounts raised, or if there is an incentive for people trying to like try out the app or something like that. I also need a unique angle to the project. I mean, the good part of the project and the risks as well. And I need a rating out of 10. I mean, if an app has a 9/10 rating, that means the very, very top AI app, AI project, sorry. Even project has a rating of 9/10. And also, I prompted about my design style. I need something minimal, modern look. I need my app to be well spaced, and I need it to be easy to understand. So let's run this and see what it gives. So yeah guys, base 44 is already working for me. As you can see on the left hand side of my screen here, everything is being done. So we just have to wait and see what it gives me. Yeah, let's check our streams guys. We are going to have a lot of fun building this, I'm sure. It's going to be a live project very, very soon. So let's do this together, guys. Let's see if I'm going to like the UI it gives me, or we would have to improve the layout and also the user experience. If it isn't giving me the user experience I want, I might just have to edit my prompts. Yeah, we are still waiting on base 44. Building. Don't you worry, guys. I'm not going to do this without you. We have to build everything together on stream. So, yep. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is very, very good. But what do you guys think about the background, the UI and stuff like that? It's just plain white. I think I might want to improve the UI layout and user experience, because this is basically just, this is nice as well, but let's give it a new prompt. I want it to be more visual, properly spaced. I don't think this is well spaced for me, so I think I need to refine the UI, and I need to make sure it is very, very responsive for mobile as well. So I'm coming, please. Let me just enter um the project name. Let me say um Devin. Okay. So basically, it showed me the rating for Devin, so 7 out of 10. Shows me what Devin does, target users, the monetization, unique angle, and the risks. This is very, very good, honestly, but I'm still skeptical about the UI. Still skeptical about the UI. So let's change that a bit. Let's refine the UI, please, guys. Let's refine the UI. So I need to improve. Let me give my prompts. Improve the UI layout, user experience. I need you to um make it on more visually pleasing, because this is just plain white and that gives cheap. Or don't you guys think so? Visually appealing. Two. Two. Should I say properly spaced? Yeah, let's keep properly spaced again, because it still looks jam-packed to me. Properly spaced. Properly spaced. What else? What else? I need to make sure it is responsive for mobile, so let me just give it the prompt so there won't be any problem later on. So responsive for mobile. And what else? What else did I talk about? This results section, I want it to look, this is very good as well, but how about it looks like something like a card layout or something like that? I mean, like it should just be like a card, probably laid out between beside each other. Yeah, let's try that out. Results section, results section should look, results section should like a clean card kind of layout, a clean card kind of, or let me just say layout. Yeah. And also, I just thought of something, guys, but let's run this one first. Let's see what it gives me. Alright, so it's already working here. So we just have to wait for it, guys. Let's wait. Still waiting. Now, this first result you gave was very good as well, honestly. But I wouldn't want to say it's very bad. It is not bad at all. It isn't bad at all. No. Okay. Is it done? No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's still working on it. Still working on it. Still working on it. Oh, we are 36 minutes in. All right, UI fully refreshed. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is definitely what I'm talking about, guys. Let's try out another AI project. Let's see. Oh, yeah, exactly. Let's try out which other AI project should we say Mimo? Oh. It gave me a 7/10 rating as well. So basically, it shows what MIMO does, target users, monetization, unique angle, and the risks involved. I'm thinking of one last prompt I can use to improve the overall look of the app before we end the stream. How about yeah, how about mock? How do you guys feel about mock AI responses? Like when someone clicks analyze. I'm not sure if you guys understand what I'm saying, but let me prompt that so you guys can have a look at what I mean. Add mock AI responses. So when I click analyze, analyze. Yeah. So that's the last prompt we are giving for this stream. We are going to continue building some other time, and I think we've done pretty much something. We've done quite a lot. So the last prompt I gave it is just to make everything feel very real. Yeah. So see, this is what I'm talking about. You see the rolling part. You know, when I pressed analyze the previous time, it didn't show. Let me press it again. It didn't show this mock AI response. I mean, like this searching thingy. It didn't show that. Yeah. I'm still. Let's search one more project. Let's search one more project. Oh, what do you guys think? Should we? Let's do 11 labs. Let's do 11 labs. I know 11 labs very well. I think you give it a 7/. Yeah. But this 7/10 seems constant. I think we need to work on that on the next stream. So yeah, guys, I think we have to stop here for today. We've had thing going on for the past I think 40 minutes. So all right guys, it's Willa here, and we are building air labs together. So see you on the next stream to continue building our AI analyzer, a hub where everybody can just use it. Yeah, so thank you guys, see you on the next one.